Welcome to the video tutorial for updating the radar database of the Neoline X PRO detector. This is a database update guide for mobile phones using the Android operating system. First, enable the mobile hotspot function on your phone to share your mobile data so the detector can connect to the internet. Enter the network name. It must be no longer than 8 letters. We'll enter this name into the radar detector later. Next, set a password for the hotspot. The password must be exactly 8 characters long. Now, let's move on to the detector's controls. Using the menu button, navigate to the Wi-Fi name section. Use the up arrow to select each letter of the network name you set on your phone. To enter another character, hold down the up arrow key. The cursor will automatically move you to the next letter. In the same way, enter the password you created for your mobile hotspot. Once everything is set, go to the Update option in the Detector menu. Confirm the start of the update using the up arrow again. Now just wait a moment while the database updates successfully. That's it. The database update is now complete. When updating again, there's no need to re-enter the hotspot name and password unless you've changed these details. In the Detector menu, simply go directly to Update. We recommend updating the database once a month. Neoline X PRO. Just plug it in and drive with confidence.